Welcome to Shenzhen Shengwukan Technology, your trusted manufacturer of high-performance SSDs, DDR memory, and USB flash drives. We own fully in-house production lines with precise high-speed SMT and reflow soldering equipment. All items go through strict high-low temperature aging and burn-in tests to guarantee outstanding stability. Our skilled staff conduct thorough final checks before automated packaging. We support quick prototyping, flexible OEM and ODM services, and hold complete industry certifications, controlling every production link from PCB to finished goods. We deliver cost-effective products and on-time delivery. Choose us for reliable storage solutions. Feel free to send inquiries anytime.